pack for this morning. Loaded yung likod namin. So, today, we're gonna go to Tagaytay. Then, we're gonna go to the beach house to check yung work ng aming mga workers doon sa FNF Design and Build. Sa upcoming house ng Villarica Beach House, baling 4 houses siya, which is, the Daisy Houses. So, yung Daisy Houses, share ko na lang din. Good for 2 siya. So, meron kaming apat na Daisy Houses. Yung tatlong houses doon is, good for 2 and queen size bed, yung pinaka-bed na nandoon. Meanwhile, yung isa doon is 2 single beds naman. So, para sa mga kakaibang mga setup dyan, for example, magpinsan kayo or what, tapos ayaw nyo magkatabi, so that's the bed for you. Yun. So, yeah, time check, it's already 7 in the morning, and nandito kami ngayon sa Skyway, and yeah, we're going home. Hello everyone! Nag-arrive na tayo dito sa Daisy Houses inside Villarica Beach House, and for today, we're gonna check yung mga progress dito. I'm super excited to share this one with you. So ito na siya. Ayan. So, i-check muna natin yung itsura niya sa loob. Yes. So, pupunta tayo dito sa Daisy House number 2. And ito yung ating wall finish. So, it's very warm and at the same time very light. Ganyan. And then dito is nag-cutting na ng mga cabinets. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. So far, the finish is really, really great. And then, ang ganda din nung pinaka-ceiling natin dito. Medyo malayo na siya from the previous time that we went here. Ayan, so punta din tayo dito. Ayan. So, continuous lang ang produksyon ng mga tao dito. And super nice nung finish ng wall. I really love it. So, next week, we intend to launch this unit. So, we're also going to be staying here, definitely, before the unit launches. It's very nice and it's very, super nakaka-excite na siya. And hindi lang tayo makapasok doon. Pero nandyan yung mga beds. Yung parang pinaka-backbone ng bed. So, backbone. Ayun. So, I'm super excited for Daisy House. And so, actually, magkakaroon tayo ng major project. Hopefully, it pushes through and hopefully, hindi magkaroon ng hadlang. Charot. But for this part, we intend to put mural. So, i-design ko pa yung mural this weekend. But yeah, we intend to put a mural over here. So, matcha-challenge ang ating design skills muli. Kasi syempre, parang maganda siyang picture spot eh. So, we're gonna maximize that spot. And then next week din, mag-aano na din tayo dito. Magde-deliver din tayo ng mga appliances, yung TV, and all those things. Ayan. So, kamusta naman so far, Near?
Hello.
Ayan, so po, mukhang masaya naman si Near. Ayan. i-share ko na din sa inyo na this unit is target to be launched sa ating pinaka 5th anniversary on March 1. Yes, so March 1, yung very first time na nag-accept kami ng guests dito sa Villarica Beach House. And ito yung ating pinaka-Daisy house and I'm so excited kasi malalaunch namin siya just in time for the summer season. So it's really, really nice and it's really something that I look forward to. So share ko na din sa inyo yung other trivias and teaser dito sa ating Daisy house. So itong first 3 houses dito is good for 2 na queen size bed. And then yung pinaka nasa dulo naman, that one is gonna be composed of 2 single beds. So bakit biglang may ganon? So para yun sa mga guests na ayaw nilang may katabi sila or baka halimbawa magkapatid sila, ayaw nila magkatabi, ganyan. So doon sila sa pinakadulo na unit or for example, sila mag-bros, ganyan. So syempre, mas prefer natin kapag medyo malayo sila sa each other. Depende sa inyo. So, ayun, magkakaroon din tayo ng pinaka-promo sa pag-launch nitong Daisy Houses. So, stay tuned sa Villarica Beaches page and also sa aking Facebook page na Rica Mabel for the promo of these houses. Ayan. So, slowly, itong Villarica Beach House is already coming together and parang nabubuo na yung pinaka set natin dito sa Villarica Beach House. And actually, share ko lang din, we have also started accepting team buildings and more events para magamit natin itong Alon Events Place inside Villarica Beach House. So, share ko na lang din, itong Villarica Beach House is just 2 hours and a half from Metro Manila. So, it's very perfect for kumbaga hindi siya mega layo, sakto lang yung layo niya and madali lang mag back and forth. Ayun. And this place is also just 45 minutes or 30 to 45 minutes away from Tagaytay City. So, in case gusto nyo muna maggala dito sa Batangas, so you can drop by here and then after that, baka pag-check out nyo, ganyan, gusto nyo mag-explore sa Tagaytay City. So, this place is very perfect for that. Yes! This past few days, actually, maraming nag-ocular dito sa Daisy Houses. And the thing is, sobrang nakaka-excite kasi they want to book Daisy Houses na. So, instead na parang basically, pwede naman silang mag-book ng other houses but they prefer itong Daisy house. So, nakakatuwa lang kasi we have not yet launched pero marami nang gusto mag-book. Super nakakakilig, guys! So, for the meantime, tingnan muna natin kasi tayo ay magluluto ng lunch natin, which is liempo. Kamusta naman so far?
Yes. Wala yung motor namin, no? Yan.
And FNF motor. Habang nagluluto sila ng lunch, i-share ko na din. So, marami tayong sharings for today in case na I still didn't know. Meron na din po tayo ditong generator. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Yan. So, wala na po tayong brownout dito sa Villarica Beach House dahil meron na tayong generator. So, dati kasi meron tayong mga guests. Ito pala si Brownie. Ay, hindi. Si Whitey pala. Si Whitey. Actually, white and brown siya pero Whitey talaga yung name niya. So, ayan. Sobra. Ito yung dog namin dito sa Villarica Beach House. But yes, Dati kasi, wala tayong generator. So, anong nangyayari, kapag may scheduled brownout or parang may mga power interruption na hindi naman kami ni-notify or yung parang unscheduled power interruptions, syempre naaantala yung pinaka-staycation ng mga guests. So, I'm happy to share na meron na tayong generator. So, this really enables us to maximize our stay or your stay. Ayan. Kasi 'di ba sobrang unlike sa Metro Manila, dito sa Lemery, Batangas, or dito sa province in general, meron talagang mga unscheduled power interruptions and sometimes all day talaga walang electricity. So it's also something that we don't want to happen. Kaya talagang nag-ipon kami at nag-invest sa generator. Yes. So para ayun, non-stop pa din yung yung pag-enjoy nyo and pagbabonding dito kahit brown out yung parang pinaka-surrounding areas. Welcome back to my channel. It's Rika Mabel, your Airbnb super host and Airbnb builder. Yes, so for today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys with me sa ating work day. Semi-work day, no? Leisure. Ayan. So, for today tayo ay papuntang Susana Heights kasi unang-una meron tayong i-ocular na place. And then after that, pupunta naman tayo sa other project natin, which is magkakaroon naman tayo ng pinaka-contract signing and submission of requirements. Ayun. So, yes. Let's go! So, we are done with our first meeting. Yes. So, dito sa SM Center Muntinlupa, kami ay magde-demolish. So, kaya nag-ano na tayo ng pinaka-ocular inspection para malaman natin yung overall scope ng gagawin doon.
Ayun. So, okay naman. Mataas-taas pa din yung preparation time. Kasi last operation nila, last day is March 31. And then, they'll give us 1 month para strip off lahat. And ibalik lahat kay SM yung para kay SM.
Wow, grabe!
So, ganun lang. So, advantage naman siya kasi gabi gagawin. So, yung mga workers natin, pwede natin dalhin dito pagkatapos ng mga trabaho sa ibang site.